Now let's learn about the Optimize Drives feature in Windows and how it can help improve system performance. Let's keep it simple. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented, which means parts of a file are stored in different locations. This can slow down your system. The Optimize Drives tool fixes this problem. If you are using a traditional hard disk, it performs something called defragmentation, which rearranges the file pieces so they are stored together. This improves speed and performance. If you are using an SSD, Windows does not defragment it. Instead, it runs a trim operation, which helps maintain the drive's performance and lifespan. You can quickly understand the concept of before and after fragmentation with the help of this graphic image. Now let's see how to defragment and optimize drives. Select the drive you want to optimize and go to the properties of that drive. Then press the Optimize button on the Tools tab. Here we will see a list of drives on the system. Select the drive you want to optimize and press the Optimize button. The drive optimizer can be scheduled. Here we have 3 operands. Choose any one of them. After that, you need to tell which drive to optimize. Optimize drives helps keep your storage fast and efficient by organizing data properly. Next, I'll show you how to improve your Windows performance by disabling widgets and notifications. Let's keep it simple. Windows 11 comes with widgets like News, Weather, and Updates, which run in the background and use system resources. Similarly, notifications from apps keep popping up and can slow down your system and distract you. Now let's see how to disable widgets. Right-click on the taskbar, open Taskbar Settings, and simply turn off the widgets option. You can now see the widget turned off on the taskbar. Next, let's disable notifications. For that, if you pull it down, you can see the notifications here. If you click on it, you can see all the notifications displayed here. Here, you can either turn off all notifications or disable notifications for specific apps. After doing this, your system will have less background activity, and you may notice better performance and fewer distractions. Disabling widgets and unnecessary notifications can help improve performance and make your system cleaner and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials. If you are interested in learning more about this topic, please comment below.